In this video, we will see how to calculate the required inverter rating and battery capacity to run certain electrical loads for certain hours. Here we have dummy data of household electrical load. It contains the appliance name we want an inverter backup for, power consumed by them, and their number of units. Here, we want a rough idea about the inverter and battery requirement to run all these appliances. So, we will first need to calculate the total power consumed by each appliance. It will be equal to the power consumed multiplied by number of units of each appliance. Here we get the total power consumed by 2 units of fans. We will apply the formula for the rest of the appliances to get the total power consumed by them. Now, we need to calculate the total power consumed by our household electrical load. It will be equal to the sum of the power consumed by all the appliances. So, our total electric load consumption is 600 watts. This is the real power consumption of our household. Now, we need to determine the minimum power rating that an inverter should have to run our 600 watt electrical load. Practically, no inverter works with 100% efficiency. Their efficiency can range between 70 to 90% or so. For our example, let us take the efficiency as 80%. So in that case, the power factor will be 0.8. We will now calculate apparent power consumption. It will be equal to the real power consumed by our appliances divided by the power factor. We got 750 volts ampere. So, we need an inverter working at 80% efficiency, with a minimum of 750 volts ampere rating to run our 600 watts electrical load. Now it is time to calculate the battery capacity. We are considering the battery voltage to be 12 volts. Suppose, we require the battery to provide a backup of 5 hours on a full electrical load of 600 watts. So the battery capacity needed will be calculated as equal to total power consumption divided by the battery voltage, the whole multiplied by the backup time required in hours. This will give us the battery capacity in ampere hours. So to run 600 watts load for 5 hours we need a 12-volt battery with 250 ampere hours capacity. And the minimum inverter rating should be 750 volts ampere. If we know the power consumed by our electrical load, the inverter battery voltage, and its capacity, then, by just rearranging this equation, we can calculate the battery backup time at full electrical load. So in this way, we can get an idea of choosing an inverter system for running our electrical load on it. If you liked the information, then, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your time and patience. Have a nice day.